Hi everybody. In this video we will be talking about how to find the vertex and how to find the axis of symmetry from a parabola. This is an example problem from your next assignment, and I'm just going to demonstrate how to do it just in case you get to it and you get stuck. So let's start off with how to find the vertex from your parabola if you have a parabola given on a graph. So remember that a vertex from the last video, a few videos, are either the lowest point or the highest point of your parabola. So if you look at your parabola from the left side, you can draw your parabola down, and if you draw it from the right side down, you'll see that they meet down the bottom here, and this is your lowest point of your parabola. So this is your minimum point, and since this is your lowest point right here, this will be your vertex. And the vertex is this coordinate right here. So the coordinate here, if you start from the origin, we go to the left, -1. So it looks like the x would be -1. So let me write that down. I'm sorry. Undo. -1. And then your y coordinate, again, if we start from the origin, you go down -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, and -7. So the y coordinate would be -7. So -7. So on the box where it says, what is the vertex? You'll write down -1 and -7 in these two boxes. So -1 and -7. To find the axis of symmetry, remember that the axis of symmetry is this imaginary line down that cuts straight down the middle of the two parabola. I'm sorry. So if you look at here, this parabola here, looks like there's this imaginary line running down right here that if you cut this in half, you have an equal right side, the left side of me, and the equal part on the right side. So whatever that line is, that is your axis of symmetry. So the axis of symmetry here would be the x value at your vertex. So if you see here, we said that the x value of the vertex is -1. So your axis of symmetry would be -1. After you find the axis of symmetry and the vertex, you want to click OK in the bottom here. After you click OK, if you go to the right side, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see where it says right, wrong, and the clock. The right tells you how many you got correct, and the wrong tells you how many you got wrong. Each individual space that you type in your answers, you'll get that. That's the amount of points that this will give you. So if you get the the axis of symmetry correct, you get 1 point. If you get the x coordinate from the vertex correct, you get 1 point from there. And then if you get the y coordinate from the vertex correct, you get 1 point. So in each problem that looks like this, that gives you 3 spaces, you get a total of 3 points, either right or wrong. And then you move on to the next problem, and then you do the same thing. I believe there's about 6 problems, and we would like for you to get 3 questions fully correct. When you do, take a picture and submit it onto Schoology. Thank you.